Struggling to get your digital product live on Whop? Create and publish your first product in under 3 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps from login to publish. Let's start with logging into your account. All right, start by logging into your Whop account. Once you're in, go ahead and click on Products from the sidebar. Then click Create Product to get started. Now, enter your product name, a catchy headline, and upload a banner image. Next, choose your pricing model: free, one-time, or subscription. Then add your product description, images, or videos to showcase it. Now, include the apps or experiences you want to offer. Now, add any additional description, images, or videos if needed. Once everything looks good, click Save Product, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.